Hello and welcome to Programming Knowledge. And today we'll be learning about new programming language called Go. So let's get started. So what is Go? So Go is a programming language created by Google with a simple grammar, it's easy to learn and will be suited for team development. Another characteristic it is speed. It is also language that is growing in popularity. So it used by everyone from startups up and where development speed is very important to large-scale system development. So what can Go do? Websites. So in the website, the back-end part you can write in Go language. It is very good for scalable application and also JavaScript. Will still be there but to Go since it's very fast and it provides concurrency features. It's very much used in back end of the website. Next one is mobile applications. It is using mobile applications also for front end part. Then the system programming, many network servers, distributed computing systems in Google and YouTube are using Go language. So this is also used for server-side programming. So let's look at the history of Go. So it was originated as an experiment at Google by three people, mainly Robert Dressman, Rob Pike, and Ken Thompson. So the goal of Go language was to provide a development speed of Python with performance and safety of C or C++. And it was created at Google in 2007. So now let's look how to install it on your system. So there we are on the website of Go. You can see the website named golang.org. In here, you can see it is given as Go is an open source programming language that make it easy to build simple, reliable, and efficient software. So you can click on download Go and it is available for all the major operating systems. You can see Microsoft Windows. MSI installer is there for Mac OS. We have package and for Linux we have tar.zip. So I'm on Mac, so I will download for Apple Mac OS since I've already downloaded and installed. I'll just show you to verify if the installation is proper or not. I'll just open my terminal. You can open your command prompt and inside that just type Go. That is Go, and if you can run, you should get this message as Go is a tool for managing Go source code. Then usage Go and then command and all the commands you should be able to set that, which means you are successfully installed the Go compiler on your system. Also, if you are on Windows, you can go over the C drive in the File Explorer and under that you will have a folder called Go. Inside that, there will be a folder called bin and you can see the two files Go and Go empty. There are the two compilers which are required for Go programming language. So if you are successfully installed, these files will be there. So now let's me show you how to write a simple program in Go programming language. So my choice of IDE is a Visual Studio Code. I'll encourage you to download and install Visual Studio Code. So if you go on YouTube and search for programming knowledge, VS Code installation, you will get a video. Just watch the video and install the VS Code on your system. Let me open the Visual Studio Code. So in here, I close the welcome tab and in the Go, I'm in the Go folder. I have made the folder. So here, click on that icon and just type the name of the file. So in my case, I will type hello and the extension is .go and just press enter. And in here it will tell you that the Go extension is recommended for this type. Just click on install and it will say installing if you click on that. It is saying installing and you can see 3 million users and it is around 4.5 stars. And it is by Microsoft, you can see, and it is already installed. Now I close it And in here, just close the one. You can start typing the code. So every Go program will have a main function. So type main, open and close parentheses, and then open the curly braces, open and close the curly braces, and type enter. So this is the typical main function. All the functions are defined by the keyword func func. So type func in front of main function. So our main function structure is ready. So inside this, if you want to print hello world, so how will you print it? So you will need one model for that. So the model name is fmt. So type fmt that you have to call a method from this module. So type capital P, then print ln. So this is the same as Java's print ln, and open and close parentheses. Inside this, open, close inverted commas, and type the message. In my case, I will type hello Cornish. And as you can see, this fmt, we have to import it. So type import and open close inverted commas. And inside that, you have to type fmt. One more thing is that the main function is present in the package main, so type package and main the beginning of the program so that the main function can be called from the package. So now our program is ready. One more thing I want to show you is after the main function there is parentheses, and if you try to bring the curly braces on the next line, it will give you an error because the Go language syntax is like that. You need to have curly braces along with the main function, and if you go on top and if you select run and start debugging, it will give you an output. And in here from the side you can select terminal, and here you will get the terminal. And in here, if you type ls in your case, it will be dir. You will see the file name hello.go. Just type go space run and the name of the file, that is hello.go, and it will print your message. If you make some changes to the print message like welcome to programming knowledge, and if you turn the program again, you can see the message. So in your Visual Studio Code, what you can do is close this and just go on top, and in here you have to go in view and command palette.